Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox memory dump error in a simple and effective way so you can play your games without crashes or sudden shutdowns. This error usually happens due to low system memory, corrupted files, or driver issues. First, restart your computer to clear background processes and free up memory. Next, close all unnecessary apps running in the background before launching Roblox, especially heavy programs that consume a lot of RAM. After that, update your graphics drivers to the latest version, as outdated drivers can cause memory-related crashes. You should also lower the in-game graphics settings in Roblox to reduce system load. Another helpful step is to check your system files by running command prompt as administrator and typing sfc/scan now. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated to avoid compatibility issues. Finally, reinstall Roblox completely if the problem continues. After following these steps, the memory dump error should be resolved and Roblox should run smoothly again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.